Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week in Qlik Application Automation, you can now save your automation workflows as templates for others in your organization to use and build from. After designing your workflow for a specific task, simply right-click on the canvas and choose Save as Template. A window will appear prompting you to add a name, description, and thumbnail, as well as choose a visibility status. Choose Shared to make this automation available to others in your tenant. When a user creates a new automation in the Qlik Cloud Platform, a template picker will display, giving you access to a variety of predefined workflows. Choosing Shared from the menu on the left will display all templates shared by users in your tenant. Choosing a template will pre-populate your workspace with the defined automation blocks in the template. Now you can make changes to fit your needs. Shared application automation templates make it easy to share and proliferate another's work while reducing development time and providing a simple way to customize an existing flow for your needs. And that is your SaaS in 60.